Crack-a-lackin' my DP peeps. Josh here with DepriveD Productions, back in Blender with the 15th modeling tutorial. And we got a really quick one, and I mean probably the quickest tutorial I've ever done today. And I apologize for being gone so long. I'm really busy, guys. I promise it's going to slow down soon, but work is crazy. But guys, I've had a lot of questions about the separating and joining models in Blender. So I'm going to cover it real fast, super easy tutorial. So check it out. It starts with this cube. We've talked about that. We can press tab, go into edit mode. And I'm going to go to faces, okay? I'm going to do a little work here. I'm going to click his face, press E, and extrude it. And I'm just going to make this mesh really, strange, do some stuff with it. I'm going to click this and press the I button. I'm talking about make it do that number, and then move that out there. You know what I'm talking about, doing all kind of weird stuff. You can right-click, subdivide. I got all kind of stuff going on here, okay? It doesn't matter. It's some weird-looking model. Now, let's go to tab, back to object mode, so I can Shift A and add in a torus. And one of the little toruses, bro. Move it over here, size it real big. You know what I'm talking about? Size it on the Z. Press tab, go back into edit mode. Select all those. ES. Size out these bad babies right here, and that bad baby right here, and that looks terrible, okay? That looks real bad. We're done with it. Let's go. We're back. Press tab to get back to model or object mode. Shift A one more again, if I can find it, my man. Now we're gonna go to the sphere here. Let's grab it on the Y, bring it over here. Same thing. We'll size it up and grab it a little more. I can go to edit mode if I want and edit this bad baby. The point is, I'm going to be doing a bunch of stuff here. I'm doing a bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? You can break it, so be careful. Not to break it. You don't want to accidentally break your. Don't want to break your model, but the point is I'm supposed to be just messing it up. And the reason I'm messing it up is because I'm going to join and separate these things. So you know what? We're done. We're done doing stuff. So here we go. I got one model, I got another model, and I got another model. And if I may say, they all look fantastic. I'm pretty good at this. I'm not trying to brag. Now the thing is, if let's say you wanted all three of these models to be one model, because if you go into edit mode now, you can only edit this one. You can't click over here. You know what I'm saying? Let's say you wanted them all to be one model. Pretty simple, right? So I'm going to drag this bad baby out of the way because it's still a little too close for me. You know what I'm saying? So grab them all, check it out. Make sure you're in edit or object mode, like I said. So you're selecting objects, not actually in the edit mode where you're doing stuff like that. Object mode, press tab, hold shift, click again, hold shift, click again. You got all three of them, and press Control J for join, bro. Now if I press the tab button, you can see that I got all kind of faces, and that's all one model, and that's exactly what we want. And again, I just want to point out how good I am at this. I'm not being cocky. I'm not bragging. I'm just saying, I have a gift. And now the thing is, like I said, you have one model here, and you're like, hey, that's awesome, man. I appreciate all your help. But let's say you want to make changes, and now I want to go back, and I decided I need to separate this. You're like, oh man, now I got to go and I got to select all these faces and try to get them. No, I got an easy way to do this, homie. So check it out. So while the whole thing's selected like this, press A to deselect and select all, by the way. While you have it like this, in edit mode, you have your whole model here. Again, we've made it one model. You can hold your mouse over like maybe this spot and press L. Now, as you can tell, the computer is smart enough to connect all faces that are or select all faces that are connected to the spot that you clicked on the screen. So what I can do now is you can do it again. You could hold L again, click right here, boom, okay, did it again. And then you know what I'm saying? Like, so you could just do one at a time. So we want to do this one again. I'm all the way out. I pressed A to deselect all. I'm over this, press L, boom. You can see it selected it. And what you can do now is press P. And you can separate. It's literally right here. Separate from selection. Boom. And now you've separated your model. So now what you have is you have this model and this model. So now two separate models. And I can do it again. So with this one selected, or whatever, with this one selected here, I can go back to tab, okay? Deselect all. I'm going to separate this baby. Press L. Boom. Got that. Press P, bro. Separate from selection. And guys, I've got all three of my models back. So 1, 2, and 3. And now they're all separated again. So I joined them and I separated them. And again, just hold shift, select all, Control J. Boom, I got them back again, bro. It's that simple. 3 models. And just one more time, guys, thank you for appreciating my artwork here. I know you love it, and I love it, and I don't blame you for loving it. But the point is, joining and separating models has never been easier in Blender 2.8. They've made it real easy, and I'm not going to lie. It was the same in Blender 2.79, but it made me feel good to say that. So, guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate your super short tutorial. I was in a hurry, and I had a few questions about it. In fact, on Facebook, on the Facebook Messenger from the DepriveD Productions page, and I wanted to cover it. And guys, things are about to slow down, so I'll be seeing you guys a lot more frequent. I usually try to post 2 videos a week, but I've only been getting 1. But don't worry, I'm on my way back, and there's all kind of stuff I need to talk to you about. I'll chat with you tomorrow about it on YouTube, so don't miss it. I got a big post coming up tomorrow, okay? But guys, thanks for watching. Hit up YouTube, DepriveD Productions. Hit up Facebook, DepriveD Productions. We got links in the description of this video. You can check us out on SoundCloud, Bandcamp, itch.io, everything. So check us out, hit us up, follow us. Thanks for watching. I hope this made sense to you for anybody who's playing with Blender and needs to join and separate your models. Until next time, love you, miss ya. Peace.